Are you an introvert struggling to fit in? You are not alone. Hear what I have to say about it. Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to Practical Pro Tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with many of us: struggles faced by introverts and how to overcome them. It's a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and embracing the power of introversion in an extroverted world. Let's get started. Struggles faced by introverts. Social overwhelm. Introverts often feel overwhelmed in social situations, particularly in large groups or unfamiliar settings. Excessive social interaction can lead to mental and emotional exhaustion. Small talk difficulty. Engaging in small talk and casual conversations can be challenging for introverts. They prefer more meaningful and in-depth discussions. Networking and relationship building. Building and maintaining professional and personal relationships can be harder for introverts. Strategies for overcoming introvert struggles. Embrace your introversion. Accept and embrace your introverted nature. Understand that being introverted is not a weakness, but a unique aspect of your personality. Set boundaries. It's crucial to set boundaries for social interactions. Don't feel pressured to attend every social event or accept every invitation. Prioritize activities that energize you. Practice small talk. While introverts may dislike small talk, it's a valuable skill. Practice it to become more comfortable in social situations and establish connections. Develop listening skills. Introverts often excel in listening. Use this skill to your advantage by actively listening to others, which can lead to more meaningful connections. Find like-minded communities. Seek out groups, organizations, or workplaces that align with your interests and values. Building relationships in such settings can be more natural for introverts. Prepare for public speaking. If public speaking is a challenge, prepare extensively. Rehearse your presentations, practice in front of smaller groups, and focus on the message you want to convey. Use written communication. When dealing with conflict or expressing thoughts and ideas, consider using written communication, emails, memos, etc., as it allows you to articulate your thoughts more effectively. Self-promotion with humility. Promote your accomplishments and skills humbly. Focus on the value you bring to a project or team rather than self-aggrandizement. Self-care. Prioritize self-care to recharge your energy. Engage in activities that align with your interests, whether it's reading, art, or solitary hobbies. Seek professional help. If social anxiety or introvert-related struggles significantly impact your life, consider seeking the help of a therapist or counselor who specializes in these areas. Introverts, you have the power to navigate the extroverted world while staying true to yourself. Keep growing, keep learning, and never underestimate the value you bring to every conversation and every space you inhabit. Thank you for joining us today on Practical Pro Tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more practical wisdom for your personal and professional journey. Let's continue this journey together, empowering one another along the way.